Alright, I've seen this or some version of this trending on Twitter a few times in the past. And it always gets one of two answers for one simple reason. This guy right here. Most people stop using the division symbol like this, like Algebra 2. We never see this anymore. We stop writing 6 divided by 2 as this, instead we start writing it 6 divided by 2. And it's because of this confusion that's creating different answers. For example, when we have the divide symbol, we don't know how much we're dividing on this side and how much we're dividing on this side, when the division symbol is a thing in itself. Well, it's a fraction. So let's look at different ways we can rewrite this. Let's say we take 6 divided by 2 and make that its own fraction. And then just put the rest of the equation as is. Now, no matter what you do, no matter what version of PEMDAS or BODMAS or whatever you've learned, if you're doing your math correctly, you will always get the same answer. In this case, let's go 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. You will get 9. If you try solving it a different way, then you will get the same answer. Let's say 3, 1 plus 2. That's not how you write it too. Then you distribute. You get 3 plus 6, which will equal 9. Or how about you just distribute the fraction as is? You get 6 divided by 2 plus 12 over 2. And then you add those together, get 18 over 2, which is then equal to 9. If you go 6 divided by 2 as a fraction by itself, you will always get the answer 9. Now, some people look at this division symbol and see it as everything after. And then that'll be 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. In this case, no matter what you do, you always get the same answer, but it will be a different one than before because this is a different equation. So you go 6 divided by, let's distribute this. So you get 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6 over 6, which is then 1. If you just simple it out, then it's going to be 6 over 2 times 3, which is then 6 over 6. What some people even do is they'll then separate out the equation into multiple fractions. 6 divided by 2 times 1 over 1 plus 2. Now, once we simplify these, we're going to get 3 times 1/3, which is, as we all know, is 1. It's not a matter of if you know how to do your order of operations, if you know how to do basic math. It's about how to read this equation. This is written as very just wrong in order to create a viral problem. If you just simplify this the way it's supposed to be, you'll get either 9 or 1. These are both correct answers to this depending on how you do it. This is an incorrect problem. These are not incorrect answers.